Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Piano's Beauty. Don't mind me panting, I'm just from running. And now I'm gonna get into my workout routine because since I lost weight, I've discovered that there are some areas of my body that are flappy. So I'm trying to tone them down while trying to get the hourglass figure. So just follow me along. I hope this motivates you to work out and get your dream body. Thank you. I'll start up with weightlifting, but if you don't have weights, you can use any heavy thing around. You can use a gallon filled with water or anything that will just help tone your body. Like I said, I lost weight so fast and my body is flappy, so I'm doing everything possible to tone up my entire body while doing specific exercises. To tone on specifically my arms, I like lifting up the weights back and front, and studies have shown that weightlifting gives your metabolism a small boost, helping you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you. Sorry, I'll be using clips of different days, so I hope you don't mind. This was another day, but as usual, I have my waist trainer on. So, what I'm doing with this weight is that I'm shrinking my waistline while working my upper body. If you can see, my around my shoulder is folding like some people are big up. If you're big up, you consider doing this exercise because it really helps to reduce that fat at the back area. This is what I'm doing, like, and then I'll go with the weight sidewards. It helps to reduce my waistline and give me that good figure. I'll leave a picture of my before so that you can see is this workout that has been helping me the past days with the waist trainer. I'm putting on the waist trainer right here. I always work out with a waist trainer. Moving forward, I'm toning up my arms some more. If you don't have this weight lift, don't worry. In a few minutes, we're going to get into exercises that you don't need equipment. Don't take this as an excuse. You can use anything, any heavy thing can act as your weight lift. This one is not very heavy, so don't be scared of muscles. Moving on, where we're going to get into this jumping. You don't need any equipment for this. You can just jump like I'm doing. Just jump. It helps with inner thigh. If you're struggling to reduce your inner thigh, this is a good exercise for you because your it tones your hips as well. It tones your inner thighs and it reduces fat in that area. I'm going to be focusing a lot on specific exercising. If you're trying to reduce back fat, hip fat, inner thighs fat, those are the type of exercises we're going to be doing, and general fat. So now I'm just jumping over. You can do this without equipment once again. If you have a bike, you have a cross trainer, it's a very good way to reduce inner thighs, and especially for a cross trainer, it helps to work out your arms. You see that back and forth I'm doing, it's helping to tone up my arms. My arms are very flappy. My arms are very flappy. If you are not careful, losing weights without working out, it would make you to have very flappy arms, and that's mostly what causes people to go have surgery after they've lost weight, because that skin is just there isn't much you can do about it. So please start working out now, it's important. So like I said in the beginning of the video, if you don't have equipment, don't worry, you can work out just fine without your equipment. You can see I'm trying to tone up my arms, and you see how flappy my arms are. See the skin, so I'll need a lot of arm exercising. I'm just doing this slight boxing to just tone up the arms, and now I'm going in circular motion clockwise. I'll do that a number of times, then I go anti-clockwise as you can see me doing. This is also good for your shoulders, the back fat. Those who have back fat, you want to consider doing these exercises often. Here I'm putting on the sweat belt. It's also like a waist trainer. I talked about it in my waist training video. This helps to sweat out. It also helps to reduce your waistline. Whatever waist trainer you're wearing, just wear a waist trainer while walking. It really helps to tone up your waistline, reduce your waistline, and give you a good figure, a good shape. Now I'm jumping upwards to work out my thighs, work out my legs. I'm doing this. Right now I'm already so tired. I promise to do a video on my Zumba dance. I'll do that next week. I know some subscribers asked me to make a video of that. I'm gonna do that next week. And for my weight loss class, a lot of people told me they haven't gotten their skipping ropes yet, so let's just give them some time, because I want us to get into a skipping challenge. We'll get into a skipping challenge just to encourage and motivate each and every one of us to just make sure we're exercising. It doesn't take much. You can start with 100 skips a day. It still helps to burn calories and burn that excess fat. So I usually do this to just tone down my down area, like my butt, my hips. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna round up, relax, and go get a shower. Always try to to warm down. You start by warming up, and now I'm warming down. Especially if you're a beginner, this will help to reduce the pains. You know, when you just start working out, sorry, you're gonna feel pains. The best way to get rid of those pains is by doing the exercises often, like every day. You don't need much time. 10 minutes a day is will go a long way. Please just indulge in these exercises. I hope you subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my videos. And for our classes, I wish you all the best in your weight loss journey. Thank you so very much. Bye.